Hey my beautiful Sasha gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is August Nicole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And y'all, today's video is going to be sponsored by Deminuage Skincare, and they sent me some goodies over to test out, and I even got an influencer discount. So I paid nothing to try out these products, and this is how the box is looking. And let's get into the unboxing part. So it has the product registration card, which I already did. I already registered on the website, on the Deminuage Skincare website, as y'all can see. And we also have a pamphlet. And on the pamphlet, it is basically giving a breakdown of how you use the product. And it also shows you what comes in the box. And these are the steps that I will be doing when I get ready to use the product. The batteries inside. And yes, y'all, they do send you batteries. And this is the bag that it came in. Y'all, I'm just sliding the battery in. And screwing it back on there. And the next step is that I have to clean my face. I already used my facial cleanser, but I'm going to go ahead and just wipe my face all over with these facial wipes. And the next step is to remove a nano chip cartridge from its sealed bag. And I have 2 of these. And it's 5 in the package, and it is 5 times Booster NanoChips. And you can use this 1 to 2 times a week for a deep boost. And you can use daily with a facial serum of your choice. I really like this. This is really neat. So this is how the little cartridge looks. I might have to, okay, you just open it like this. Just screw it on like this. And the next step, you apply the serum evenly to your face or the area you would like to focus on. And this is the serum that I'm going to be using. It came in the kit, and they sent me 2 of these. And this is the serum that it came with. Okay, y'all, we got the serum open. Now we gotta twist it off. I just want to say that this is really neat, by the way, and it is very secure. Place the rubber head over the serum. And I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has the little openings right here. It has 4 openings right here. And I'm just trying to get this on here really, really good, so there won't be any gaps or anything. And now the next step is that we have to apply the serum by holding the bottle vertically to the face and gently tapping the rubber head against the skin surface. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm ready for it to come out. Okay. So you just gently tap. You could just gently tap the area you want to treat, or you could just go all over your face like so. Like this. And y'all, it is pouring down outside. And the serum, it doesn't have a smell or anything either. So, if you have sensitive skin and you are allergic to scented products, this serum, it doesn't have any type of smell whatsoever. And the next thing that we have to do, this is the fun part because we get to use the pen. We have to press the power button at the bottom. We're just gonna place the pen. Oh, okay, that's what it's doing. And y'all, this is painless. I don't feel anything. So this basically absorbs the serum into your skin. Yep, it absorbs the serum in your skin. It's like a really ticklish feeling. This is a really, really cool gadget. It tickles right there. And it says do not slide the nano chip onto the same surface more than 3 times. And y'all, they give y'all 5 of these nano chips in the pack, so you don't have to reuse the same one over and over again. I'm gonna do this side. I don't know about y'all, but I'm real ticklish in like my cheek area, like right here, and my lip, and like my upper lip and my bottom lip area. That's where I'm real ticklish at. This is a really fun demonstration, by the way. I've never had a type of skin product like this. So this is very fun to use. And I really hope y'all like this demonstration, by the way. And let me know if you have heard of Deminuage skincare in the comment section below. And I will link all the information in the description box. And I will even link the product that they sent me, so y'all can know all about the details and all about their company. And I will also link their Instagram too. Okay, y'all, that is basically it. If you get this kit for the first time, it might be a little complicated for you to use because they have like 8 steps on here. But once you get everything put together, it's going to be really easy to use. And that is basically it for this video. Let me know if y'all have ever heard of this skincare company in the comment section below. This is you can use these nano chips up to 5 times a day, and you can use this to gently condition the skin. And they sent 4 of these. But yes, y'all, this serum is non-scented, which is a pro for me. Because I know some people, they are very sensitive and they break out. Like with skincare products that have scents in them, and this doesn't. And y'all, this serum, it absorbs really quickly, so that is another pro for me. Another pro is that this pen, it was very easy to use. It is gentle on my face. I don't have any red spots or anything from using this, so that is a good sign. The serum is non-scented. And it came with a very good supply of the products that I feel like you can use for probably up to a month or 2 weeks, depending on how you use this. Especially if you're going to use this for daily use, I would say that it will last up to a month. But in the cons that I have, I didn't like the fact that the products were so hard to open. I just really wish they could have had easier access to the products, to the serum, because the bottle cap, it was so hard to take off. You just don't screw it off easily. I had to put my strength and break off the end to apply the serum. But other than that, everything was easy to use. The instructions was easy to follow. And that pretty much sums it up for my review and my thoughts on this skincare kit. And I will link everything in the description box below. Thank you for so much. Thank you for watching. And that is it.